After one of the worst terror attacks on tourists in Pahalgam, the security forces have come into action. The residence of Adil Thokar right here in Bijbehara in Guri area has been demolished, has been razed using an IED. The action happened late last night. Now remember, one of the stringent action taken was apprehension of 1,500 overground workers. 25 of them were detained specifically for the Pahalgam attack itself. But right here is one of the perpetrators identified by security forces as Adil Thokar. Now, he's believed to be a man who's gone to Atari-Wagah border in 2018 and then went ahead and trained in the Pak terror training camps as per Jammu Kashmir police officials. So this is where he has been identified as one of the perpetrators. But as Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that there's going to be an action, especially a stringent one, and the perpetrators will be hunted down till the end of the earth. So this is where the action now really coming in. A similar action has taken place in Tral itself. Now you look at this entire area, the people around here all watching from the sidelines, a lot of people out here, the neighborhood is out here, especially about a late night action which has taken place right in here in Bijbehara. This is very close to Pahalgam itself. But many would say that this is the time where action has taken place and many more to come. With camera person Aman, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Bijbehara.